Well, I take back what I said in the previous video. This is the most tedious part of the job. That's how I'm having to do it, but I'm going to show you guys here like this. I've got a dial indicator on a magnetized base attached to the spindle, and so when I rotate the spindle, it's going to tell me whether or not the engine itself is in line with the machine, and I'm setting my zeros so that it's actually cutting where it's supposed to cut. And this seems simple enough. If it's off, I just make little adjustments here. I've made 10 thousandths worth of adjustments on the y-axis, and so what I'll do is I'll just zero that, and yes, I want to zero my y, and yes, I want to zero my z. And so now the machine's like, here is home. That's the center of where I need to be. Problem is, this side of the engine is not this side of the engine, and we want to make sure this side of the engine is also in line. So I guarantee when I move this gauge over there, it's going to be off, and I'm going to have to make adjustments here, go back and forth and back and forth. It's tedious.